So I'm here with Jamie Dora. She was in town today doing another video, and so I figured that we would do a second DIY project since you're not a DIYer, and I thought it would be fun for you to make this one with me. Even
not a DIYer, no.
But you know what? This is a project that people don't like to talk about. It's a, you know, yeah, it's a secret. No one wants to talk about going to the bathroom, you know.
Number two.
Number twosies, but guess what? My favorite product that my aunt, who has an RV, has this stuff in her RV, and like it is the biggest lifesaver because it's a small confined space and there's lots of people involved.
And you can't let people know that you actually go.
Exactly. No one knows that we go. And so this spray, which we won't talk about the name because I don't want to get in trouble for it, but it's real expensive.
Yes.
But it works like a charm.
And it smells so good.
It smells so good. Yeah.
And it's cost a lot.
It costs a lot. It's like gold, basically.
Okay, it is.
But did you know you can make your own?
No, I didn't. I never thought that I
make your own.
should make my own.
And what I will be using it for, I will be carrying a bottle in my purse. I'll be giving it as a gift.
Ooh.
I'll be putting it
Catherine
in my own bathroom.
ASS bag.
That's right. I will be like gifting it to everybody because it's so inexpensive to make and it makes a huge difference. So we're gonna make it together. You can make it at home. I'll show you all the supplies that I use. Now you did mention, which I thought was interesting, y'all, like special note, any DIY project that you do, if you don't already have a lot of the materials like these essential oils, which can be very expensive, sometimes it is cheaper to just buy the product than it is to DIY it. And so I don't want to like talk you into doing a DIY project that's going to end up costing you as much as just going out and buying the spray.
Exactly.
Spray.
You have to already have that material because these are expensive.
Yes. So if you already have essential oils, that's the most expensive part. Everything else from there, you have to buy little spray bottles. Actually, if you've already bought this product, you could actually reuse this bottle if you want to. But I got these from Walmart for $1 a piece. So that's the bottle, and then you can reuse it over and over again. Rubbing alcohol, the essential oils, and water. That's it.
That's it.
That's all it is.
Water, alcohol, and essential oils.
Yep, in a bottle.
And if you already have all of this at home, then it's literally
essentially free.
It's a 99-cent project.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we'll get started on that. So another thing you mentioned too is you had talked about spraying after.
I always forget. I don't do it before, I do it after.
So the whole thing. So what really interested, it works, it really works. And when something works really well, I'm always like, but why does it work? Because you've used regular air freshener and it does not work.
It doesn't.
It's like you walk in and you're like, someone just sprayed you
on top of,
right? You know. And so why does this work so well? And my wheels started turning. And so I started Googling and thinking about it. And my theory on it was true. Essentially what's happening, I say essentially, is that you spray this stuff onto the surface of the water, and the oil, the essential oils that smell so good, coat the surface. So that when something drops into it, it locks it, all of the like gases in, and they don't come up. And so it locks it in, and then that's why they have these hilarious commercials, because nobody wants to talk about that stuff. I'm totally fine talking. I have 4 kids. That's all we do is talk about poo around here.
Secret spray.
So you don't spray it afterward. That defeats the entire purpose.
Well, you know what? It still makes the bathroom smell better.
It does, but it may still seem like you're covering things up. So in order to feel like you're not covering things up and actually taking care of it before it ever happens, you spray the surface of the toilet like 3 or 4 little sprays.
And then you turn around.
You do your thing, you flush it down, and then you're done. All right, let's make this stuff.
Let's make it.
All right, so here, whatever color you want.
I want purple. I love purple.
Okay, I'm gonna do clear.
Yay.
How about that?
All right.
All right, so this is a 2-ounce bottle. You can see it right here on the label from Walmart, $1 2-ounce bottle. So if you have a 2-ounce bottle, here is the recipe. You're gonna do 10 drops of essential oils. You can do whatever mix of essential oils you want.
What do we have over here?
I've got lemon, I've got orange, I've got eucalyptus, and lavender. And usually—
Orange and lavender.
I think that's a good combo.
So then you would do 5 and 5?
Yep, 5 and 5.
All right.
We'll switch them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay,
Oh, I got 6.
Let's switch it. I did too.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
We're like twinsies
No, we
on
are.
the secret spray twinsies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One thing we are not going to talk about is the brand of my essential oils. I am not having that conversation with y'all. I'm just not doing it.
I'm going to make a logo for her.
Okay. Ooh, I would love that. Oh, that's yours.
Secret spray.
I need it. I need it for sure. All right. So then after that, you got your 10 drops of essential oil. Then you do 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol.
1 Tablespoon.
Which, you know, this is gonna kind of be difficult. Sorry. It's not gonna do anything to you. What are you worried about?
What are you gonna get it? How are you gonna get it in?
That didn't work.
There we go. You just put about a tablespoon.
We're not measuring things here, people. Oh my gosh, what a
tablespoon.
Does that sound like a tablespoon?
Here,
All right.
let's look at them.
Look how accurate that measurement. That's pretty good.
That's really good.
It's like when you go to the bar and they do like 3
1,
plugs.
2.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just count. Okay, we're just gonna count.
All right.
I mean, it's just your spray.
I know.
I mean, how can you really mess it up?
We're not messing. See, that's the thing with DIY projects. We're just concocting things.
Yeah. And then you just fill it up?
Yep, that's it.
Fill it up with water.
Yep.
And I'm gonna go try this out.
We're not taking the camera into that
bathroom.
situation. We're not bringing the camera into that.
I'd be like, did I go or did I not?
We'll let you give it a review
You'll
later
never
on.
know. It's Catherine's secret spray.
We're gonna do oh my gosh, should we do a commercial on that? Oh my gosh. Okay, and then shake it up.
All right.
Now, personal experience on this one. The one thing I have noticed, these spray little tubes go all the way down to the bottom. So if you're spraying into a toilet bowl and you do this action, it's gonna run, like you're not gonna be able to get it. So basically you have to like hold it down at an angle like this, get real low.
Get real low. Real low.
Yeah, and then like, there you go. Look at you spray, you got it. I can imagine you doing this as you're in the bathroom.
We're like twinsies, Catherine.
So that's it. That is it. And it costs like less than $1. Well, actually $1.25.
Well, $1 because
but then when you go to remake it again, you're just like making it cheaper and cheaper every time you go. And doesn't it smell good?
And so you'll know that Catherine loves you if you get this in your Christmas
the wind
present.
is blowing. I can't catch it.
Your
it
Christmas
smells really
present.
good.
So am I gonna get one of these for Christmas?
Have Merry Christmas. It's yours. You made your own Christmas gift. All right, y'all. If you have any questions, comment below. But really, go and make some of your own Catherine's Secret Spray.